part 2. I'm doing this. I am seven. My name is Andrea. My name is Andrea Pibelan. My favorite color is purple, and my age is 7. And I'm born in September 14, 2016. Bye. Your turn, Akiko! Your turn! Come on! Your turn! You reveal. Hola! Hola! I'm Akiko!